Wisely Prepaid Debit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a flexible, fee-conscious way to manage your money in 2025, the Wisely Prepaid Debit Card has become a popular choice. But with so many prepaid options out there, you might be wondering, does it really live up to the hype, or is it better to pass? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Wisely Prepaid Debit Card, from fees and features to rewards and security, so you can make a confident decision. Let's start with the basics. The Wisely Prepaid Debit Card is issued by MetaBank and backed by the financial technology company ADP, which is known for its payroll services. Essentially, it's a reloadable debit card that allows you to access funds electronically, make purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, and even receive direct deposits, including paychecks, government benefits, or tax refunds. One of the reasons it's so popular is that it offers many banking features without requiring a traditional bank account. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Many think prepaid cards are only useful for temporary or emergency situations, but cards like Wisely are increasingly being used as primary financial tools. With direct deposit, bill pay, and mobile app management, it can function very similarly to a checking account, especially for individuals who want to avoid overdraft fees or maintain tight control over spending. A key feature of the Wisely Prepaid Debit Card is its fee structure. The card has a low monthly fee compared to traditional bank accounts, and if you sign up for direct deposit, the fee is often waived. This makes it an accessible option for those looking to reduce banking costs. Additionally, there are no overdraft fees because you can only spend the funds available on the card. For many people, this simple, predictable cost structure is a major advantage over traditional banks. Now, let's talk about reload options. You can add money to your Wisely card through direct deposit, online transfers from other bank accounts, or cash reloads at participating retail locations. For example, you can add cash at over 90,000 retail locations across the US, including Walmart and CVS. This flexibility is particularly useful for individuals who are paid in cash or who want to consolidate funds from multiple sources into one card. Keep in mind that some reload methods may incur a small fee, so it's important to review the terms before topping up your balance. One of the biggest advantages of the Wisely Prepaid Debit Card is its ability to accept direct deposits. Most users get their paychecks or government benefits loaded onto the card up to 2 days earlier than a traditional bank account. For people living paycheck to paycheck, this can provide an extra buffer of financial security. Early access to funds is one of the reasons this card has gained traction among gig workers, freelancers, and those who need immediate access to their money without waiting for traditional banking processing times. Let's discuss spending and payments. The Wisely card can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, online or in person, including major retailers, restaurants, and service providers. You can also use it for bill payments directly through the mobile app, making it easier to manage recurring expenses like utilities, phone bills, or subscriptions. Most people overlook this, but the ability to pay bills directly from a prepaid card adds a lot of convenience and reduces the need for checks or cash payments. A surprising truth about the Wisely Prepaid Debit Card is its budgeting tools. The app provides real-time transaction tracking, balance notifications, and spending insights. You can see exactly where your money goes each month, which categories are consuming the most funds, and set up alerts to avoid overspending. For many users, this level of financial visibility is a game changer, helping them stay on top of finances without complex spreadsheets or third-party software. Security is another important factor. The card is protected by Visa's zero liability, which means you aren't responsible for unauthorized transactions if the card is lost or stolen. Additionally, the mobile app allows you to freeze or unfreeze your card instantly if it goes missing. In 2025, with the rise of digital fraud, these security features provide peace of mind and protect your funds from potential loss. Now let's talk about rewards. Unlike traditional bank credit cards, prepaid debit cards typically don't offer interest or credit building opportunities. However, Wisely does have occasional offers for cashback or perks through the app or partner programs. While not a major benefit, these small rewards can add up over time, especially if you're using the card for everyday spending like groceries or transportation. The main value of the card, however, lies in financial management, early access to funds, and low fees rather than rewards points. Accessibility is another advantage. The Wisely Prepaid Debit Card is easy to obtain, requiring only basic personal information for approval. There's no credit check, making it an attractive option for individuals with limited or poor credit histories. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. While it won't help build credit like a traditional credit card, it allows anyone to participate in the digital economy, pay bills, and make online purchases without a bank account. This inclusivity is particularly important in 2025 as more services move online and cashless transactions become the norm. Customer support is available via phone and in-app messaging. While some users report occasional wait times, TD Support Network and the card's integration with ADP ensure that payroll and direct deposit issues are handled efficiently. For business owners or gig workers relying on timely payments, this support network can make a big difference in avoiding delays or disruptions in accessing funds. Let's review the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Wisely Prepaid debit card offers low or waived fees with direct deposit, early access to paychecks, broad usability with Visa acceptance, and helpful budgeting tools. It's an excellent option for anyone who wants to avoid traditional banking fees, needs a secondary card for controlled spending, or wants quick access to funds. On the downside, it doesn't help build credit, offers limited rewards compared to credit cards, and some cash reload methods may incur fees. Additionally, while it's convenient for everyday transactions, large businesses or advanced banking needs may require a traditional checking account or line of credit. Now, a common question. How does the Wisely Prepaid debit card compare to other prepaid options? In 2025, competitors like the Green Dot Prepaid Card, Bluebird by American Express, and NetSpend are popular alternatives. Wisely distinguishes itself with direct deposit integration, early access to paychecks, and user-friendly budgeting tools. While other cards may offer higher rewards or cashback, Wisely focuses on accessibility, financial management, and low-cost convenience. For someone prioritizing control over spending and immediate access to wages, is hard to beat. Another feature worth noting is mobile wallet compatibility. The Wisely card can be added to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, allowing for contactless payments and easier online transactions. This reduces the need to carry the physical card and adds an extra layer of convenience, particularly for younger users or those who prefer digital payments. The card also allows ATM withdrawals at over 90,000 locations nationwide. Some ATMs may charge a fee, so it's important to be aware of participating networks. Still, the ability to access cash when needed enhances flexibility, making the card suitable for a wide range of personal and even semi-business purposes. Let's discuss practical use cases. If you're a gig worker receiving multiple small payments per week, the Wisely card consolidates your income in one place, offers early access to funds, and tracks spending. For parents, it can serve as a controlled allowance tool for children or teens, helping teach money management while limiting overspending. For individuals without traditional banking access, it provides a safe, secure, and modern alternative to cash, with added convenience of online and mobile transactions. Finally, let's consider overall value in 2025. The Wisely Prepaid debit card is ideal for anyone seeking a low-fee, flexible financial tool with robust digital management capabilities. While it doesn't replace credit cards for rewards or credit-building purposes, it excels in simplicity, accessibility, and control. Most people underestimate how valuable this level of financial management is, especially in an era of digital payments, instant transactions, and online budgeting. In conclusion, the Wisely Prepaid debit card in 2025 is worth considering if you want a secure, fee-conscious, and flexible option for managing money. It provides early access to funds, budgeting tools, Visa acceptance, mobile wallet compatibility, and robust security features, all without the hurdles of traditional banking. Whether you're a gig worker, someone building financial discipline, or just looking for a convenient alternative to cash, this card offers practical benefits that can simplify your finances. If your priority is low fees, early access to direct deposits, and easy financial tracking, the Wisely Prepaid debit card is definitely a card to keep in your wallet.